have the two fastest horses of the grid. Yay! This fishing dog is from a shark. It will work for him too. Hey! Oh yeah! Where did you get that fishing rod? Where's the fishing rod that I used when I became world champion? When you help me finish in a good position, you'll remember this day as the last time I overtook you. And now I will overtake you too. I have the best fans in the world. I want to finish the season with a podium. Leave some space for the champion. No. Wow, the only one who can be ahead of me is Pecco. If you don't mind, I'm in a hurry. The MotoGP ceremony awaits a world champion. Yay! My retirement day is very poetic. But if they keep overtaking me, I will finish with a bad result. Hey, I won't fail you, Wale. I won't take you out from top 10. Oh, I'm leaving MotoGP in good hands. Alright, Pecco, get ready to be overtaken. I'm not Pecco, I'm Rossi, Hey? But I thought you were... Don't worry, Alex, I will fight for you. I know who's the real one. I have already seen him. You lost the championship. Let me win this race. I want to dedicate the victory to Rossi. We will help you. Well, as the composition, it's okay for me to become Rookie of the Year. Yay! I love this project. And the bike looks amazing. Hey, having a red bike doesn't mean you have a Ducati. Our top speed is unbeatable. Yahoo! Wow! Well, keep dreaming if you think I want to be like you. Yeah, last winner and team champions. Oh yeah! Woohoo! Cheers for the last chapter of the season. Oh no, it's over. And this is the end. I will miss these races, the fans. What the? Thank you, Vale. We wish you the best. Races won't be the same without you. Yepa! And that was all, Mini.
Hey Mini fan, you want more content of the Minis? Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and Facebook. You will see exclusive content like special comics and avatars. If you enjoyed the chapter, don't forget to press the like button and leave us a comment. If you haven't done, support us on Patreon and click the subscribe button. See you on the next Grand Prix!